Hi everybody, here I am again, back in my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a really posh toast, or some might call it a croque monsieur, other people might call it a rarebit. But anyway, whatever it is, it's tasty. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. I've got hundreds of recipes. I'm sure there's one out there that will suit you right down to the ground. Anyway, without further ado, let's crack on. Okay, so let's make a start with our ingredients. We're going to need 2 whole egg yolks. We're going to need obviously some seasoning. I've got here some salt and some black pepper. 150 grams of cheddar cheese that's been grated. Some basil and some of these little tiny tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. 1 teaspoon of mustard powder. And of course some good old Worcestershire sauce. Take a bowl, pop in your cheese and your basil. I've used about 3 stalks, leaves only. Then your cherry tomatoes that have been very finely chopped. And of course your mustard powder, mustn't forget that. Lea & Perrins Worcestershire sauce, give that a hefty dash. Pinch of sea salt, or you can use any salt really. And a pinch of black pepper. Lovely. Then we can go in with our egg yolks. I've got 2 egg yolks here, but you could use 3 if you wanted. We'll pop that in and that'll keep it all nicely stuck together. Give this a really good mix. Get all those flavours incorporated, and most importantly get your egg yolks to cover all of these ingredients that we've got in the bowl. Now here's our toast. I've toasted one side, but as you can see, if flip it over, they're just very lightly browned on the other side. We don't want to overdo it. Then we can spread our mixture evenly over the top of our toast. Get plenty on there, be nice and generous. And of course, when you're spreading it out, try as best as you can to get it right up to those edges, because if you don't, those edges will burn, because obviously they'll get the full heat of the grill, which is where the toast is going to go. After a few minutes underneath the grill, this is what you've got. It's delicious. Now this one's caught a little bit on the edges, not to worry about that. Just make sure that your cheese is melted right through. Amazing. So simple, so easy, and so tasty. Well, there it is, look, the end product. So delicious. I'm really looking forward to this. I bet you would be too. It really is good. I mean it. Now, don't forget, please subscribe to my channel and you could be making tasty dishes like this. Thanks for watching. See you all again next time, and bye from me. Oh, bye from my kitchen too. So good.